how to find new subscribers to page events notification settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find new subscribers to page events notification settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then just scroll down. Here you will find pages and then select your page. Now just click this settings icon in the top corner and click notifications, then on Facebook here. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.